Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm glad to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This deli case, and we can see this curved display. It's really beautiful for the front wheels. And also let's take a look at the overall size for the units. The entire length about the units will be 82 inches long, and the overall height is about like 4 feet tall. The unit steps about like 32 inches. So we can see they have a stainless steel top and the edge, and the front is metal painted white. And you can see they're having about like 9 racks inside of the units. You can adjust them and to set in the different layers and to put the different stuff for the meat or sausage or bakeries or any drinks you want. So let's move around to see the back of the units of the inside. And we can see the units to access back of the side. We're having 3 sliding doors of the units. You can open individually for each of those. And let's take a measurement for the inner side. The unit's top layer is about like 20.5 inches. And the second layer is the rack's about like 22.5 inches deep. Inner side of the lens about like 75 inches long. The layer heights, they are adjustable. You can see the different hole, you can mount different levels. And when we see the unit's bottoms, we can see they're using the 110 standard plugs, and the controllers right here is power switchers. Also, when we open the inside the units, we can see the coils on the top of the units. And they do having the ETL sanitation stickers and the cost sheets and the diagram information. Also, they come in with the serial number for the fast service. So this will be all the information about these products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.